Hello everyone, this is Harminder Suri, and that's my daughter Aisha Suri,
Hi, everybody.
and she is going to announce the winners of the most recent contest on my channel. You know, I received a lot of lovely comments and I didn't want to be unfair to anyone. That's why I came up with the idea of a draw, and today my daughter is going to announce the winners. So are you ready for that? Okay. Alright, Aisha, go ahead. Okay, so she has the first winner. And the name is Nesrin. So that's the name, Nesrin. Congratulations, Nesrin.
Yep.
And you are the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card. There was another winner that I had to announce, so why don't you shuffle them a bit? Right, okay. Pick out one. All right, so let's see who the next winner is. The next winner is Richa Sharma. Congratulations, Richa. Here you go.
Congratulations, both of you.
Congratulations, guys. I hope you enjoy your Christmas with these gift cards, and I'll see you again with another contest. Take care.
Bye.